Hello, this is Brian Gabriel, and I want to talk to you about the IELTS exam. That is, the International English Language Testing System exam, and how you can pass it with confidence. Maybe you've taken the exam before, and your scores, maybe they weren't quite as high as you wanted them to be. Maybe you're worried about taking the exam. Well, you don't need to worry because you can watch me take the exam right in front of you in this course. And I will take the whole thing. So I will take the listening, the speaking, the reading, and the writing. All 4 sections, you can watch me and how I approach the questions and how I answer them. I'm so excited to welcome you to this course. Again, I'm Brian Gabriel, and I will see you in the next video.